So for this one, again, we have to do our alpha is equal to 1 minus the confidence level, which is 1 minus 0.95, which is equal to 0.05. And alpha over 2 is 0.05 over 2, which is 0.025. Our degrees of freedom is 20 minus 1, which is equal to 19. So the t-score, I came up with 2.093. So the confidence interval is in the form 39.7 plus or minus 2.093, 8.3 over root 20. So the interval then, I came up with 35.8, 43.6, rounding to one decimal place. Okay. If you would please flip to slide number 16. Our calculator does have a built-in routine that will allow us to construct confidence intervals as well. So pulling up the calculator, if we go to stat and then arrow over here to tests, I'm going to arrow down a little bit, and if you notice, menu option 7 says Z interval, menu option 8 says T interval. So on slide 16, this is one of our Z intervals that we used, that we've already constructed. So if we come over here to the Z interval, notice that we're presented on our very first line with data or stats. So this stats means summary stats, since we don't have any data, so we'll just highlight stats and press enter. And then all we have to do is enter sigma, x bar, n, and the confidence level. So sigma, we are told sigma is 0.97. X bar is 7.3, and n, our sample size, is 35. And the confidence level then, remember the confidence level, you have to put this in as a decimal. So 0.99, and then come down here to the magic button and press enter, and boom, there it is. So this is the same result that we came up with on Tuesday when we were discussing this particular exercise. All right. So let's go to slides. Let's go to this one. And again, why don't you take a moment and plug in this information for the confidence interval for the banks that we did on Tuesday as well. So these are all the parameters to enter in. Is that what everybody has? Come down here and push the magic button, so we get basically 93 to 317, which is what we came up with the last time. So let's flip down to slide number 30 and do a couple of the. So for the T interval, Here we know we're going to have to use the T, so we go to the Stat and then arrow over here to Calc, and now we'll choose menu option 8. Again, the same thing is presented here, so Stats, and then for X bar we'll put in 1786, and for S, the sample standard deviation, we'll put in 937. And for N, we put in 15. And for the confidence level, we'll go 0.99. And again, push the magic button. So we come up with 1066 to 2506, which is what we came up with the last time. So again, you can use the calculator to verify your computations as well. Okay? Are we okay with that?